Come to letter G. G, 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 G. The story of letter G is Gul Khan is a school guard. He should take care of all the boys and girls in the school, but he is not responsible. One day he was enjoying eating grapes. A stranger opened the gate and entered the school. G, G, grapes. G, G, grapes. G, G, gate. G, G, gate. G, G, gate. Our next letter is H. H, H. H, H, H. The story of letter H is Hamid has horses and hens in his farm. Hamid is a brave boy. One day he wore his hat, sat on his horse, and went to his cousin's house. H, her house. H, her house. H, her house. H, her hen. H, her hen. H, her hen. I, E. I, E. The story of letter I is ink fell on the floor. Ikra's mother asked her to clean the floor. Ikra said, Inshallah, I will clean it. By saying this, her work becomes easier. I, E, I glow. I, E, I glow. I, E, I glow. I, E, insect. I, E, insect. I, E, insect. Our next letter is J. J, J. J, J. The story of letter J is two jokers were going on the jeep to jungle. They were having a jug of juice and jelly with J, J, joker. J, J, joker. J, J, joker. J, J, jeep. J, J, jeep. J, J, jeep.